2, 1, go!
Go fast.
Shit, top side! Fucking pound him! We didn't make it fast enough. Cooper, sit down.
Who's in the castle? Bottom floor.
Bottom floor is our guys.
Oh, that's our guy. It's friendly. Watch out, right there, straight ahead. Behind the fire.
Tanner! How's it looking?
He's right by the post office. Remember, keep it slow. Don't waste all your ammo. I'm not to the castle top. I want to go on top.
I'll go with you. Give me a minute. Jeremy, are our guys at the bottom of the castle?
It's our guy at the bottom. Oh, see you guys later.
Hit!
Where'd you get hit from?
Straight ahead. For the 5th time. Holy fucking shit, I've never seen people more fucking deaf and blind. Tanner! Well, Chad, you ready to go hunker down?
Yeah.
Fuck. This is not gonna... What? No! I'm trying to get this piece of shit to work. Hey, at least we got Nugent. We might have a chance. Yeah, I think so. I got hit right in the shoulder, then the helmet. Yes, sir. Nugent, let's go. Watch out, there's a bunch of fucking post holes.
When you're in Wyoming, prairie dogs pop out and you get to tag them in the face with a 22-250.
Fuck that, use a 223.
I did. And a couple 17 HMRs. Anything will kill those.
Dude, I love my 17. I
That's fun.
don't know where it is, but I'd love to find out where it is.
We didn't put in the shield. It is freaking
Shitty. Oh, fuck.
Oh well, at least I'm not riding home in my car.
What?
At least I'm not riding home in my car.
Woo! Oh yeah, I saved it!
That was pretty. That was okay.
Dude, I fucking bit it this morning, leaving my driveway for Brenton to pick me up.
Yeah.
I fucking bit ass, dude. Nugent, slippery as fuck on this.
Yeah, so I'm walking on the side of it.
I'm hiding here! No motherfuckers will know I'm in here.
Surprise!
Surprise, I'm pooping!
You just stay in there. I'm gonna get close. Take the door up.
There.
I don't know how many guys we're supposed to wait on before
I think it was 15 or something. Nugent! Or Chad, one of the two.
we gotta hold this flank right here.
Where's Nugent? Nugent!
What?
Come here.
I'm gonna go up here and be silent for a while.
Might as well.
On this little pallet. Just gotta say a word, not move, not do nothing.
My GoPro on?
Huh?
My GoPro on?
It's supposed to be, there should be a little red light blinking.
There should be something like on the screen.
It's
Yeah.
like flashing 3.
Oops, hit the button. I'm hunkering right here.
I'm gonna go up to that tin up there. Kind of in front of the creek.
Yeah, we're still going. There it is. Everybody up! They're starting to stage up. Nugent, they're starting to stage. Move up with Nugent, stay here. Second time today, man. I'm okay this time though, I'm not hurt. Welcome to Baghdad, bitches. Stay down until they get up. Swing around. That's what I was thinking. Get him a nice flank maneuver. Nugent, where you at?
Where are you at?
Right in front of you, pretty much.
Oh, right here.
Chad just came up with a pretty good idea.
Huh?
He just came up with a pretty good idea. We waited out long enough, and they try to get everybody down there. We can swing our asses around. Yeah. Yeah. If they do, just... Yeah. Well, it looks like, from coming through there, it looks like there's a hell of a lot more room to hide down there than there is over here. What?
Here's Jeremy's loud voice.
Shit. They're staging right in front of us. Stay down. Tell me if they're coming straight towards me and Chad. Roger. They saw me first. Hey! Oh, this is awesome. What?